You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 590 over 27. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 4,740 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 162. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is x equals negative 590 over 27.